¡Qué bruta! Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm gonna do another DIY and I'm so excited. I tried this before, but I never film a video or edit a video for YouTube showing you how to do it and how it works. So I know a lot of us use a spray for our hair to put those baby hairs back, and they are so annoying sometimes. So today I'm going to show you a super easy DIY to do a natural gel at home with natural ingredients, and also you can use it with those baby hairs to put them back. I use it today, as you can see, so I went from this picture right here, and this is the final result. I'm going to show you how to do it, which ingredients do you need. It's only like one ingredient. Okay my love, so I'm not going to talk anymore and let's get started with this DIY. Okay my love, so you know I have short hair and it's super messy right now. I'm gonna use my extensions from G Hair. They are natural hair and that's what I love about this. I'm gonna use these pink rollers and a bottle of water, and I'm gonna start spraying all the water along my extensions. And that's what I love about real hair, because you can stylish them however you want. You can use heat, you can use rollers, you can use water, also you can use shampoo and wash them. And now I'm gonna show you how to put your baby hairs back. For each cup of linseed, you are gonna use 2 cups of water, and you are gonna get this gel, and this is what we are gonna put with a toothbrush on our hair. It's gonna look super natural and it won't damage your real hair. It's gonna pull those baby hairs back and it's gonna look amazing, and you can see the results. I'm just taking all my pink rollers out of my extensions and this is how it's gonna look, and I love the results. Okay my love, so that was it for today. I hope you enjoy this DIY because it was super easy and you can do it at home. If you have comments or opinions, don't forget to leave them down here on the comment section, and don't forget to visit me on my Instagram page and Facebook page to see more DIYs or videos, makeup videos, hair videos, and skincare videos. I'm gonna leave all the information down here in the description box so you can do it at home. If you miss something on this video, it's gonna be there, so don't worry. Thank you so much for being here today with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!